Namaste, all of my dear students. You are welcome to the next video of Social Studies. So today I present here to teach you about Social Studies Common Class. I have already said yesterday in our previous class, I have already told you common class only for our the unit of the social problems and evil. For other classes, this common class is not necessary. Yeah, for other units, I will teach the different. Yeah, separately. But here common class only for unit, such unit where there is social problems and evil only. My dear students, so what are the topic I am teaching here, I am giving here. So you think about that and command these all, because these all are similar to the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it is also most important also. So that I am teaching here in same class about the some common topics. So today I want to talk about the study. I have discussed about other international organizations for the solving the social problems that discussed earlier in our previous class. We have discussed about the many social problems, social organizations like that. But I want to today talk about the some most the important topics which are necessary to know by the students of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 each and every classes, because some social problems are still prevailing in our community, in our society, and in our previous class also we haven't discussed about that topic. So today I present here to teach you about that topic, my dear student. Okay, so our topic that some social problems in Nepal. What are that social problem we are going to talk about? The first one I want to talk corruption. This is the one of the main, this is the one of the dangerous social problem, and still why nation, our country Nepal, still is not fully developed because of the corruption, misuse of the power, authority. So corruption. So it is necessary to teach the student of class 6 also, 7 also, 8 also, 9 also, 10 also, it's in a every class, because this is the one of the main problem. Yes, my dear student. So I want to talk about this topic first. The misuse of power, the misuse of power, authority for the personal benefit. For the personal benefit, for the personal profit. The misuse of power and authority, power, authority for the personal benefit, profit is known as corruption. Corruption is a slow poison. 8. It destroys corruption is a slow poison. It destroys the nation. An act of misuse of an act of misuse of public power and authority. Public power and authority by public servant. By public servant or individual an illegal manner for the personal gain and benefit is known as corruption. Is known as corruption. Okay, my dear student, our topic that corruption. Corruption is one of the big social problem of the nation. This is one of the big social problem of the nation. This is prevailing in every sector of our nation now at present. There is a misuse of power authority by the government employees. Here I have written here definition. The misuse of power authority for the personal profit. कसैले आफूले पाएको पावर शक्ति र आफूले पाएको अधिकारलाई misuse गर्ने गर्दछ. If they misuse the power and authority which are given by the state, that is known as profit. Taking bribe भनेको घुस, taking bribe with the other, yes, अरूबाट घुस लिनु, misuse their power, also take the some valuable goods, valuable items, yes, that is known as corruption. So I have written here, corruption is a slow poison, it destroys the nation. Corruption is a slow poison, यो एउटा slow poison हो जसले के गर्छ भने हाम्रो नेसनलाई नै तहस नहस गर्ने गर्छ, नेसनलाई नै डिस्ट्रोय गर्ने गर्दछ. So corruption is a slow poison, it destroys the nation, my dear student. Here is the definition that an act of misuse of public power. What are the different public power? What are the power given to the government employees? सरकारी कर्मचारी, yes, political parties, leaders, prime minister, policeman, army, teachers, yes, different other personnel means कर्मचारी, yes, an act of misuse of public power, the power given to serve the people, to serve the public, but they misuse the such power, such authority by the public servant ले अथवा कर्मचारीले or individual, कसैले individual ले, an illegal manner, कसरी illegal manner मा an illegal manner मा एकदमै गलत क्रियाकलापबाट, गलत ढंगबाट, गलत व्यवहारबाट, yes, for the personal gain, the main objective for the personal gain, to earn more and more money, yes, the main objective to earn more and more money for the personal gain, that is the main objective, and for the benefit, personal gain, that is known as corruption. त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं? भ्रष्टाचारी भन्छौं. भ्रष्टाचार, that is called corruption. Yes, my dear student, corruption is one of the misuse of power and authority. Suppose budget that announced for the development, for the construction of road, for the construction of different places, different school building, public just things like that. But if there is a misuse of power authority, if there is a misuse of power, certainly there is a big problem. Yeah, the budget that announced for what types of work, that aim never achieve. We can't achieve our aim. Yes, aim for the development, that types of development aim we never just dream, and after that our nation can be lagging back, and other country where there is no corruption, such country can develop well, but our country we just in the line of BPL, below poverty line, and nation, in the nation there may be the big problem. So that this is the one of the most just important topic, and all the citizens should know about this, either they are educated, uneducated, whatever. If we know about this topic, certainly nation can, and this corruption can be what, discouraged. If corruption discouraged, certainly we can see their development of our nation, my dear student. So I want to talk this topic today. Now I want to, this is about the introduction about the corruption. So now I want to move the next topic of this corruption. Our topic, that is four different form of corruption tendency. Four different form of corruption. Mainly corruption चारवटा फर्ममा हुन्छ. चारवटा फर्म छ करप्सनको. एउटा भयो ब्राइबरी, दोस्रो भयो मिसयुज अफ गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. तीसरो भयो बैड एटीट्यूड एंड intention. Bad attitude and intention. Giving opportunities to the relative. Okay, these are the mainly four forms of corruption. यो corruption को जम्मा चारवटा फर्ममा corruption हुने गर्दछ. चारवटा फर्ममा corruption हुने गर्दछ. mainly corruption यो चारवटा फर्मले हुने गर्दछ. एउटा भयो bribery. bribery भनेको घुस लिने दिने. एउटा भयो. अर्को भयो bribery, घुस लिने दिने. नेक्स्ट वन दैट मिसयूज अफ गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. एउटा भयो गवर्नमेंट सरकारी सम्पत्तिको दुरुपयोग. सरकारी सम्पत्तिको दुरुपयोग कसरी? अब सरकारी जग्गामा आफ्नो के पर्सनल जस्ट क्रियाकलापहरू गर्ने, सरकारी विभिन्न फर्निचरहरूको आफ्नो घरमा युज गर्ने, त्यसलाई चोर्ने, या दिस टाइप अफ मिसयूज अफ गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. गवर्नमेन्टको प्रॉपर्टीहरू मिसयूज गर्ने, सरकारी कार्यालयहरूका विभिन्न कोठाहरू भाडा लगाइदिने जसमा आफ्नो पर्सनल बेनिफिटका लागि. मीन्स दिस आर द मिसयूज अफ द पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टीज, गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. नेक्स्ट वन दैट बैड एटीट्यूड एंड इंटेंशन. खराब नियत, गलत नियत. यस, यो पनि एउटा फर्म अफ करप्सन. दिस इज अल्सो वन अफ द फर्म अफ, यो पनि दिस इज अल्सो वन अफ द टाइप अफ करप्सन. बैड एटीट्यूड एंड इंटेंशन भनेको जसरी कि अब कसैलाई सेवा दिए बापत हैन, सेवा दिए बापत विभिन्न किसिमका सौदाहरू गर्नु है, सौदाहरू गर्नु, या दिस आर द ब्याड एटिट्युड। यो सबै के हो भने ब्याड एटिट्युड हो एन्ड इन्टेन्सन हो। नेक्स्ट वान दैट गिभिङ अपर्च्युनिटी टु द रिलेटिभ, रिलेटिभलाई आफ्नो अपर्च्युनिटी दिनु अथवा मेन अपर्च्युनिटी कसलाई दिनु भनेपछि रिलेटिभलाई, आफ्नो नातागोतालाई, नातेदारलाई है यो अपर्च्युनिटी दिनु, ग्राह्यता दिनु। या दिस आर द मेनली फर्म्स अफ व्हाट, करप्सनको यो सबै फर्म हो अथवा यो सबै टाइप्स हो, करप्सनको यो सबै किसिम हो। यो किसिमबाट करप्सन हुने गर्दछ खास गरी हाम्रो देश नेपालमा। ओके, नाउ आई वान्ट टु give some question that my dear student, these are the form of corruption. What is corruption? Right, its form, right, the different form of corruption, tendency. Why corruption is a social problem? Right, in short. Okay, my dear student, these are the questions, and also learn the what is corruption, that also you have to learn. Okay, and in our next class I will talk about the next topic about the corruption. So now I want to stop my class here. Hasta namaste, see you again, thank you.